जिस विराट कोहली ने सचिन तेंदुलकर को कंधों पे उठाया था 2 अप्रैल को और कहा था that we'll carry this forward. If you are to tell that Virat Kohli, maybe when you get to Paji's record or one ahead, उसके लिए तो बहुत मायने रखेगा. 49 one-day centuries. 2011 में तो नहीं ये सोचा होगा ना. I'm sure
चांस ही नहीं है.
So if you have to tell him, I know Abhi will play it down. When this happens, you'll play it down.
It'll be a very emotional moment for me.
Yeah.
क्योंकि again, people take for granted what has happened. Whether it's your journey from when you were a kid watching your idol play on TV, to playing with him, to seeing his retirement, to carrying on the responsibilities, to a point where I am today, and what you just mentioned. It is surreal. I mean, again, the focus can be, oh yaar, abhi itne match ho gaye. But I'm looking at exactly what you're saying. I know when I used to be on a scooty going around playing games and trying to make a mark. I don't forget those days. I can still feel it. It's like living for me even now. The people on the outside have no idea what I'm not saying that my journey has been so difficult. No, it's dear to me. I'm not saying कि मैं बहुत बेचारा आदमी हूँ और मेरे को कुछ मत बोलो. They don't have an understanding, so they'll say what they have to. But I know who I am. I know where I've come from, and I know what path I have to go. And honestly, these things do not matter to me in a achievement sense. They matter to me because the dream you had as a child, you see that unfolding in front of your eyes, and that is a blessing. That is a true blessing because you're able to work towards it. Again, the beauty of being in my profession, playing a sport, is that it didn't happen by chance. The blessing was there on your head. The hand was always there, but the hard work was the only thing that was given to you to do. Nothing else is in our control. We can only do things with the right intent, with the right output. That I did for whatever number of years I've been playing, since I started playing cricket. So that makes me very, very grateful that I was able to live up to that blessing that I was given and continue to do so till the time I play the sport.
अब मैं एक ही जिंदगी और उसके कुछ आइकॉनिक लोकेशंस का नाम लूंगा एंड विराज गोना टेल अस अबाउट मेमोरी. दिल्ली वालों को ये बहुत पसंद आएगा, खास करके वो 80s और 90s के दिल्ली वालों को. गफार.
ओहो, गफार मार्केट. प्यूमा, अब तो प्यूमा है, वहां पे पोमा मिलता था. नकली स्पोर्ट शूज और प्ले स्टेशन की वो कॉपी वाली वीडियो गेम्स 150 रुपए की सीडियां मिलती थी और फोन ठीक कराने की दुकान उसमें और बहुत सारी. करेक्ट. पालिका बाजार अगेन वो अंडरग्राउंड थी ना, सीपी में. हाँ, वही डीवीडीज सारी जो लेटेस्ट मूवी आई है वो अगले दिन पालिका में मिल जाएगी आपको.
मजनू का टीला इज द लास्ट वन.
मैं नहीं गया कभी.
You never went to मजनू का टीला?
नहीं, कभी भी नहीं.
केनाग्स कमला नगर की.
केनाग्स कमला नगर, ऑफ कोर्स कमला नगर गए. कितने मैचेस रोशनारा क्लब के पास तो था कमला नगर. वहां पे हाँ बहुत मैचेस खेले हैं, बहुत खाना खुना खाया वहां पे. नॉर्थ कैंपस भी पास ही है ना उसके. एग्जैक्टली. सो हंग आउट अ लॉट इन कमला नगर एज वेल.
One final question, विराट. हमने जो बात करी, the ups and downs, the leadership, the humility,